Look at that ALGN. Look at that ALGN. Told you guys, this is the best gap it's going to run all day. 610 by 600. It's already going. And AI looks good over 153. All right. AVXL is probably gonna pop here. $20. 20 by 19 on AVXL. 20 by 19. It's a, oh, there we go. And it's gonna pop again at 21. It's too late now. I was a little slow to get into that one. Absolutely slow. And I like these, both of these kind of did it, and I was too slow to get in. This was really good too, over $4. That one did it too. Everything else is just sloppy. Qualcomm is the sell setup. So do like this Qualcomm here, sell setup. Entry will be, could be right here. Entry could be just right here if this thing settles in about 150, 50 by 150, 150. So $1 stop on Qualcomm, but it needs to settle in here. It needs to settle in. eBay looks okay. eBay looks okay. I'm gonna do this eBay high of the day, 64.85. eBay, I'm gonna do this eBay 64.85 by the low of the day, high of the day, but low of the day. So low of the day is 63. And market is coming in here. So there we go. AVXL, guys, that's probably a miss of the day. Miss of the day, AVXL. AVXL miss of the day, 20 to 22. Let's see, the Qualcomm, guys. Qualcomm is looking pretty darn good. Market is also down on Qualcomm. Missed it. I said it was settled down. Look at this 1 minute chart. It would have been 150 anyways. It didn't settle down, so it's just right there. But this thing can bleed all day. This thing can bleed all day. Other than that, HUYA, it's, you know, we have 27 is a resistance for HUYA. APPS is not bad. Actually do like this APPS. Entry will be 74. Entry will be 74. Big stop here. I mean, big stop here. Big stop on APPS. I'm gonna probably, most likely, I'm going to regret not playing this ALGN because this is the Novak's type of a gap, and it's setting up again 630 by 620 ALGN. Okay. eBay cancel. Cancel eBay. Cancel. The eBay cancel. Um, Graham is watching Fubu. Take a look. Fubu. Yeah, Fubu is not bad. Fubu is not bad. Uh, Fubu, PayPal is okay, but this is coming. It's okay. Over 270 is okay, but I'm not. I do like this Fubu though. Over 5150. It's going 5150 by just no setup. There's no setup. I mean, we just break playing. So I'm chilling. I'm actually doing okay. I am doing perfectly fine. Qualcomm, good no play. It was, just setup wasn't there for me. A clean setup wasn't there. AWH, it's not bad, but it's not clean. PayPal, believe it or not, is probably the cleanest we have setting up here. 270 by, where do we put our stop here? 270 by arbitrary stop at 268. Well, this is super bullish. This is the bullish reversal. This is a bullish reversal on PayPal. And HUYA looks really good. HUYA looks really good here. HUYA 2680 by 2640. I mean, out of boredom, if that'll be out of boredom trade, I don't have anything clean setting up. Other than this, I really like this PayPal. Um, $2 stop on PayPal. And that's an arbitrary stop right here, 268. We can do it. PayPal, we can do it with the $2 stop. It's gonna go PayPal. So I'll do this PayPal. It looks good. Market's still red. Market's still red. So market is not giving us clear signal that it is ready to go. Uh, look at the market. All right, PayPal, let's do this PayPal. $2 stop. $2 stop on PayPal. There we go. So PayPal doing it here on PayPal, and probably can enter right here quick. I just enter 100 shares here, and then 270 break is the entry. 268 still the target on PayPal. I mean, that would be a trigger, not target. There goes the double ACG, guys. This thing, PayPal triggered, and it's about to break. Double ACG is 18 million. Not we, but me personally just hesitated on this one. APPS, let's do this one. 73 by, I'm gonna give it all the stop in the world on APPS. It's fine. APPS, I'm gonna give all this, I'm gonna give $3 stop on APPS. I'll start my position here on APPS. Low of the day stop right here, 70.50. APPS. All the, I'm giving it all the room in the world. APPS has not triggered yet. eBay now is a buy setup, but market, look at the market. This is not bad. eBay is not bad. eBay is not bad. I'm gonna do this, guys. It's 2 by 190. 2 by 190. WEI. Okay, I just got filled. Okay, our apps is off to a good start. Um, all right, so our PayPal is moving and our apps moving. Just need to, our apps is also moving. Okay, just need to add to this. I have a big stop on this one though. And PayPal right here into this volume, we can take some profits. I didn't take them. One more push here. Come on, push 273. Breaks 273. We'll see nice push here. There we go. All right, there we go. I'm out. Nice PayPal. Nice PayPal. I'm out PayPal. Nice 1K in PayPal. Oh, damn, I missed the target. WEI. It was a quick scalp on WEI. All right, we'll see. PayPal still going. Our apps is doing okay. Wow, PayPal, nice PayPal. If you still have it, nice. Take profit, guys. Take profit in PayPal here. Um, Watching PayPal miss my target on WEI, but it's fine. It looks okay. WI still looks okay. Okay, apps. I want to add the apps, but I'm also watching the market here. I want to add apps here at 70. Where do I apps I want to add, and I just do not have um guys apps. I'm gonna just take a position here in apps, and I'm gonna buy limit apps right here. Um, sorry. Oh, there you go. Fuck. Um, I didn't want to take 200 shares because that would have put me. I want to take the 100, obviously. Um, it's a, it's just really good. It's really good, and I don't have enough size here in apps. I do not have enough size on the apps. I do not have. You know what? I think this one I maybe overestimated the resistance here, took out the resistance. Good play here. HUYA, we talked about it. Couple of red bars here. Um, I'm trying to add the apps and it's just not giving me. It was one entry and I missed that, and I didn't want to oversize it. But let's see. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I am not complaining. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. Look, I am not complaining. I am not complaining, but would have loved to have a little bit more size. But let's see. This ALGN, it's about to break again. At over 630 is going to break. But what a great entry we had at 610. I think it was 6. But anyways, um, oh, AVXL is halted. AVXL is halted. If market gets going, if market gets going, this app's going to hit 80 bucks today for us. Qualcomm looks lower, but I don't like it. I really don't. I don't like shorting here. I would have loved to short here 150. And I would have been adding here. I would be adding here. Um, app's gonna go down as the greatest trade in the history with very little size. I mean, we took this with $3 stop, so we do need. Ideally, I'd like to. I mean, I'm probably going to take profits into this run up. I mean, we're at 1-to-1 already. Stop could be break even, should be break even now. AVXL still going. Shit. Um, Sava. Pff, I'm 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 staying away from Sava. The range in Sava is crazy. This is a 2-minute bar. Let me show you. 2 minutes bar, and this bar has a $5 range. 106 to 115, $9 range. So range is super crazy here. Apps, I'm gonna raise the stop to break even on apps. There's no way we should be giving back anything on apps. Um, so apps, stop to break even. There was one entry at 74 that I put in 200 shares, but I only wanted 100 because of the range and because of the even if I would have added, I mean, when I was trying to add a 74, I was looking stop will be right here, 72. And that would have taken me higher than my normal stop. But anyways, we're pretty close. $80 is what I said is my target here. So I'm okay with that. Billy's interesting. Billy's interesting here. Billy's super interesting here. 146. So it's just got going. And then Baba's super setup here. Super setup. It's just got going. Entry was right here too. 268.50 by 267. A buck and a half stop. Double ACG over 5. 5 by 450. 5 by 450. Could go here. Could be a scalp. We can scalp it real quick. But I am liking my apps because I'm getting ready to take profits here on this apps. On this pop, I'm gonna take profits. It's about to get our target, about to hit our target. Come on, apps. You got 50 more cents to our target. There we go. Okay, just out. 79.60. I'm out. Nice job, guys. Nice job. 79.60. I got out on apps. Nice job. All right, done. I'm done. I am done for the day. I don't need to sit here, do anything else. I don't need to do anything else. There we go. I'm done. If you guys have questions, you want to ask me some questions. How you would have to ask me question. How did I know how the question is? So I'll put it here. The question is, how did I know it would go that far? Which one? The PayPal, which one? Oh, the apps. Um, I don't know. I don't know if I would. I mean, oh, I mean, listen, it might go higher for the rest of the day. Um, you have to a couple of things. It's, obviously you you trade for a very long time and you get used to it and you start watching these, but it's gonna go higher. This has momentum, and let me tell you what momentum means here. And then I'll show you a couple other things from a technical standpoint. It's super cold today. You see this? This is a bullish reversal happening on the weekly chart. I call this a power play setup. This is it's really, those of you, I wish I had the size. I wish I had the size here because I would have kept 100 overnight. This is a swing setup that's going to be here for a very long time, a very long time. This is a this is a trend changing pattern. So if you guys listening to this, this is a trend changing pattern here. And what I mean by that, you have nice trend on the weekly chart, consolidation, move up, consolidation, move up, another consolidation, move up. The daily is just, it's one of the most beautiful chart that you're going to get. It's almost a tier one. You got a nice base on the daily, 2 months of base. And now we gap over this base, over this resistance over there. From there, you got to look for setups. And look, I told you this is going higher. Um, it, your true range is $6.18. So when I look at this, this is your range, $6.18. So let's just say DraftKings looks really good too here. Uh, double APS, or what is the symbol? I mean, I just traded this symbol. What is the symbol? APPS. APPS. APPS, it tells me right away that it has a $6.54 range. On this gap up, it's usually going to give you 2 times the range here. So that's $13. We're right at 14 and 14.15, right? $14.15. So that's how you kind of eyeball it. Over time, you build your watch list, you build your scanners, you look at the charts. So that's the answer. So I am looking at, so as it was setting up here as it was setting up on our charts right here. I've been watching this. Didn't take it here. Remember, I wanted a secondary form of strength here, and you got this nice shakeout. I love that. That's a bullish reversal. It's a bullish reversal. So we got in right at 73. What was where my mistake in this trade, where my mistake in this trade was, I I didn't add, and usually guys, I like to progressively buy my winners. I didn't buy this at 74, and that was the only other entry that it offered. Maybe here, I mean, it's hindsight, obviously, but maybe here. But this was the really nice entry at 74, because that's where you had first consolidation here, 74. See what I mean? So you went up, you form a bull flag. And when you talk about micro time frames, okay, so that's your entry. That's your first base, first pullback, buyable. This is your second pullback, buyable. This is your second pullback. That's buyable. Third pullback, not so much. Fourth pullback, well, I mean, you're getting late in this run, but what needs to happen here? This got to go right up here. And if it gets here, call me, because we're gonna be buying an $80 breakout with a $78 stop. But it has reached its range. We've got a 72 to $80. What do you got right here? $6.50 range plus the gap. That's $13. So that's how I really eyeball it, and I said that's what's going to happen. And PayPal is the same thing. PayPal was the same thing. You know, PayPal was the same thing. Where did we play PayPal? I mean, seriously, I mean, that's, you can't make this shit up. I do trade them and I just forget. Okay, PayPal, we did it at 270. So we bought right here PayPal because it was the 2 minutes. So basically PayPal was a 2 minutes opening range play. ATR 1153, right? 1153 on this gap up, earning gap up. You know, it's going to have about $22 move. So 252 to 266, and then from here you're looking about maybe $8 more left here at the most, 268 to 274, and then that's where we enter. We entered at 270, and we put our stop at 268, and then boom, we took our targets into that 274 area. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so if you guys have any more questions, shoot them my way. Happy to answer. Um, Happy to answer your questions. I'll be here for another couple 10 minutes, but I'm done. Uh oh, you're welcome. You are welcome. I'm glad you had a good day. Um, I still wish we would have played this ALGN. It was seriously, it was putting up like massive range here. This is the one I wish we would have played at 610. It went to 630. Hit target, by the way, right? It hit target because we had a $10 stop. It hit target. And then I was messing around with PayPal and I missed my target on WEI. I mean, I stopped out at break even, or yeah, it was break even. I didn't make any money on this one. Oh, I made 50 bucks. What do you know? I had what, almost 3,000 shares and I was up 13 cents. I was up $400 on this scalp and I missed it. That's what, I mean, you just got to watch these scalps. And this APPS, if you guys are still around and you want to trade, keep it on your charts. This is really setting up nice. It's really, really setting up nice. And then, you know, Qualcomm never set up for my liking. Uh, Grub never set up for my liking. I think what's setting up is ALB. ALB is setting up as a potential short here. And I just told you this coming after a red bar. Run up, we can short it. Uh, and then I made that quick, you know, still have my AI open. Qualcomm is coming in. And I showed you how to put an order. And I put an order early for that AI. Damn, nice job. Nice job. All right. Yeah, APPS is $80. Good entry. $80 is a good entry on APPS. I wish we would have shorted this here. That one bar that was forming, this bar. Remember this bar that was forming? I said we're gonna short it. We're gonna short it right here. 150, 150, 150, 50 by 150, 150. Remember I said that. So that was probably the best, most risk. Is that a word? Riskiest? Maybe it is. It was the most risky entry here, but the most rewarding. If we would have gotten this here with a dollar stop, now we're have about $3 move. So that I would have appreciated that. I would have appreciated that, but that AVXL guys, that AVXL, this AVXL twice gave us entry at 20 twice. But that's what you get. Me, I'm talking to myself, not the general public, but me. That's what I get. And we just need AI. AI is at 152. Let's take this to 160. I'll take quick targets here on AI. So with that, if you guys have any questions, more questions, happy to answer. If not, I'd like to just discontinue our Zoom session because I'm actually done for the day. There's no reason for me to expose myself to the market. I'm up to, uh, seriously, I'm up like 2,500 if I close my AI right now. But I'm gonna hold the AI, and then there's not much to do. Not much to do. And let's see, what is this? Let's see what's Fubu doing. Fubu was good. Look at Fubu was good over 51. That was good. 51 to shit. 51 to 53 for sure. 51 by 50. Oh, it would hit target easy. Easy target on Fubu. Damn. But didn't see it in time. Maybe I don't know if I saw it on time or I was just late, but I didn't see it on time. All right. So if no more questions, I'll talk to you guys in the chat room, and we'll just this AVXL. Wow, it's probably gonna be the miss of the century here. I really, really liked this. Really liked it. Really liked this one. because it had already traded 18 million shares when we at the open, and that tells us that this thing has juice. All right, have a good rest of the day, and I'll talk to you guys in the chat room. Thanks, guys.